If you've been wondering how to schedule reports in Salesforce, you've come to the right place. Scheduling reports in Salesforce can save you a lot of time and ensure you get the insights you need exactly when you need them. In this quick explanation, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Stick around until the end, because I'll show you a bonus trick that can make your reports even more efficient. The first thing you'll need to do is open the report you want to schedule. Once you're in Salesforce, navigate to the Reports tab. Find a report you wish to schedule and click to open it. Next, once your report is open, you'll notice a downward arrow, or More Actions, button at the top right. Click that to drop down the options, and you'll see an option labeled Subscribe. This is where the magic happens. Click on Subscribe, and you'll be taken to the scheduling interface. Here, you can set up when you want this report to be automatically delivered to you or your team. You can choose from daily, weekly, or monthly deliveries. Just pick the frequency that works best for your needs. The next thing you'll want to do is set the conditions. Salesforce allows you to make your scheduled reports even smarter by setting conditions. For example, you can specify that the report should only be sent if certain criteria are met. Let's say you only want the report if it includes a certain sales number or if a specific opportunity status is met. You can do that here. The fourth thing to consider is who should receive the report. You can set up your scheduled report to send to multiple recipients. Whether it's just you, your team, or a larger group, Salesforce makes it easy to add people from within your organization. You can even set up the report to go to external email addresses if needed. Now, here's a cool trick I want to share with you. You can customize the format of the report when it's delivered. Choose between Excel or CSV formats if you want the data ready for analysis or a presentation. Finally, make sure to click Save once you're happy with all your settings. The system will automatically send the report to the chosen recipients at the specified times without you having to lift a finger. It's that simple. If you didn't know, you can also try out Salesforce completely free by using the link in the description below, where we've got exclusive bonuses waiting for you. So, to recap, open the report, click Subscribe, set your frequency, adjust conditions if necessary, choose recipients, and then customize your format before saving. That's it. You've just scheduled your report in Salesforce like a pro. Before I go, don't forget to grab your exclusive extended free trial of Salesforce through the first link in the description. Happy reporting!